This is my key lime pie, a keto version. I'm using key lime curd with a shortbread crust. Okay, key lime pie. It's one of my favorite pies, but how do you make it low carb? Well, I'm going to be using key lime curd, and I'm going to be using my New York Cheesecake crust, and it just works out so well. I love key limes. So the recipe for my key lime pie is below in the comments section. And the first thing you want to do is make up your key lime curd, which I've already done. Next step is we've got our oven on at 350 degrees, and we're just going to make the crust. So I've got 1 3/4 cups of almond flour. I'm going to do it with a glove, it's a lot easier. And I've got some powdered Swerve. And I don't want any graininess in this, so I always turn it into a powder. So in that goes. And then I've got 1/3 cup of butter, softened. In that goes. And a teaspoon of real vanilla. I'm just going to mix it with my hand. I just find it's easier with the glove. There, that's well combined. And I found an old Pyrex cottage pie plate in the cupboard. I'm going to take my shortbread crust and put it in here, and then spread it out with my fingers up the side. There you go, nothing pretty. And I've got my shortbread crust up the sides, just like that. I'm up at 350 degrees. I'm going to cook this indirect for about 15 to 20 minutes. I want it to be, I want it cooked. I don't want to burn it, but I'd like to have some nice golden crust in there. Okay, my crust looks fantastic. That took 20 minutes today. The wind was kind of blowing through. Any normal person that would cook inside in the oven, you wouldn't have such a difference in timing, but for me it was 20 minutes today. Beautiful color. You have to watch it though. You don't want it too brown on the outside. I let that sit for about another 20 minutes, so we're 40 minutes in. 20 minutes to cook it and then 20 minutes to let it sit so I can pick it up. And now we take our, simple as take our key lime curd, and it's just so tart. A little goes a long way with this. This buttery shortbread crust just balances out the tartness of the key limes nicely. There, I like that a lot. A little goes a long way with this kind of pie because it's very tart, buttery, balances out nicely. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this into the fridge, chill it down, and then slice it up. You don't need much of a slice, but I'm going to put some fresh, sugar-free whipped cream on the top, just to put it over the top. There you go. Here's key lime pie, low carb and keto. Thanks for watching.